boy. Welcome to the Night Club, guys. It's your host, the Night Rancher. Now, right now, I'm currently refueling. We're on our way to Cleghorn here in Southern California. We're going to do a little bit of off-roading. As you guys can see, the weather is a little bit cloudy. It might rain and it might snow a little bit later, so we want to get a little bit of off-roading done before it gets too bad. It's going to be a fun little trip. I hope you guys enjoy it. Looks like we're going to be getting a little bit of rain. That's not good. I know.